It's like we've given salt too much of a bad name, talking about seven different problems it can result in, things that you do to help reduce your sodium consumption and all that. But you know that salt is doing an incredible job in your body. You would not like to miss this. Salt is made of sodium and chlorine. So, what is the crucial work that sodium is doing in your body? Today, we want to look at four of them. We want to look at four incredible job or work that sodium is doing in your body. You didn't know this. The first one is fluid balance. What's the function of sodium when it comes to fluid balance? Sodium helps to regulate the balance of fluid in your body. And by doing this, it helps to maintain a proper hydration level and a proper blood volume. Meaning that you are not going to have too much of fluid in your body. You are not going to have too less of fluid also in your body, and with blood too, you are not going to have too much blood, and you are not going to have less blood also in your body. This is so important. How can this impact your health? This is going to help all your cells, the trillions of cells in your body, work normally, and you feel good as a human. Just imagine about billions of cells in your body. Without sodium, they can't work properly. This is really incredible. Let's look at the next one. That is blood pressure regulation. Sodium helps to control your blood pressure, which is influencing your blood volume. Yes. How will this also impact your health? This sodium will help you stabilize your blood pressure. So you are not going to have a higher blood pressure or a lower blood pressure. No, you're going to have that stability. It's going to regulate it for you. And doing this, you're going to feel really good. You can do a lot of things that people who have high blood pressure or low blood pressure can't do, because you have a normalized blood pressure. But mind you, when you take too much of this sodium, it will result in hypertension, which is the high blood pressure. So we are talking about the proper intake of sodium. So when you apply the tips that we provided in our previous video on how you can reduce your sodium content, this will be beneficial to you. Let's look at the third point, or the third thing that sodium is doing for you. That is nerve functioning. Nerve functioning. You see, we have a lot of nerves in your body. And for every nerve to work well, it depends on what we call signals. There are electrical signals that take information from here to this nerve, to that nerve, to this nerve, for you to work properly. As you're sitting down, there are a lot of things happening that you don't even know. But with the help of sodium, when you take the proper amount of sodium, these transmissions of signals, these electrical signals, work properly. So without sodium, these signals can't be transmitted. So your nerves can't work well. That is it. So how is this also going to impact your health? When your nerves aren't working well, you will never be relaxed. And one of the symptoms that show that you are not relaxed is lack of sleep. So if you can't sleep properly, meaning your nerves aren't relaxed. So when you take in the proper amount of sodium, these signals are transmitted properly. And with that, you are going to feel relaxed and you'll sleep very well. Sodium is really good, but when you take it too much, that is where the problem is. Let's talk about the last one for today. That is muscle function. Muscle function. You see, nerves and function, they have a connection. Yes, nerves and muscles have a connection. Just that nerves work with signals and muscles contract and relax. This is the difference. So that is how muscles work. Muscles work with contraction and relaxation. A muscle like your heart, it contracts and it relaxes. Contracts and relaxes. Before this contraction and relaxation will go on, you need sodium. Without sodium, it can't contract and relax. So about 600 muscles in your body, for all of them to be contracting and relaxing and working for you well, you need the proper amount of sodium. And this is how it's going to impact you. We have the fifth one, we have the sixth, we have the seventh. The fifth one is acid-base balance. We want us to talk about that. That's what we'll be talking about in our next video. So if you await, if you want to know more about it, all you can do is subscribe to this channel, like this video if it was valuable for you. Yes, if you found value. You can share any comments as well. If you have a question too, you can drop it, and please share it to others as well. It's very important. Don't keep the information to yourself, share it. If you found value from this video, do these 3 things and we'll be so much thankful for you doing that. And at Eddie Fitness 24 Club, we still have our coaching programs running so well. We have the general coaching program and we have the customized one as well. Any of these you can sign up onto them. All you need to do is just get into the description when you're on YouTube. Yes, when you're on YouTube, just get into the description and send us a message on WhatsApp or get straight into the website and complete the forms on any of them, the general coaching program or the customized coaching program. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and I'm going to see you in the next video. We talk more about the crucial things that sodium is doing. See you.